Cira wakuragwo kwa uria wari mwandiki wa nenda-ini David Muthiani alias Sniper no uratwarithio na mbere igoti-ini rinene ria Kiambu. Gavana wa Meru Mutuma Mthingia akiruta woira wake mbere ya mucirithania Dora Chepkwony.
Did you contact the first accused person through any means over those months?
No.
Governor, did you ever contact the second accused person in this case over that period? No. In any way or means?
No, my dear.
Gavana Mutuma atariirie uria mowaine na mwandiki uyu wa nenda-ini na uria mutumeire mbeca cia kuriha ndawa cia kuhuthira mugunda cia kuhuhiriria tutambi na turugi guku agitariria uria we matakuruhanaga muno kimiario.
There's a confirmation message indicate to you the name of the person who received that money.
If it doesn't indicate, they never indicate the money.
What did it indicate?
Unregistered user, and the number is there, I believe. The number was at that time used by the late Sniper.
Aria mathitangitwo aria ni Vincent Muriithi Kirima alias Supu, Murangiri Kenneth Gwantai alias Tari na angi aria mathitangitwo magikuruhanio na kuragwo gwa Sniper ni mareganite na thitango ino kuria mekuagirwo kugera ngero ino gatagati ga tareki 23 na 26 Dithemba ya mwaka wa 2023 kuria mwiri wa Sniper wakorirwo ruwe-ini rwa Mutunga kaunti-ini ya Tharaka Nithi. Cira uyu ugatwarithio na mbere kuma tareki 9 11 mweri wa keri mwaka ukite kuria gavana wa Meru Muhagure Kawira Mwangaza atanyetwo gukaruta woira wake ari ta muira munene cira-ini uyu.
By asking who filed the second impeachment at the County Assembly of Meru.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.